Hello dear student. Today we will discuss about that methods of preparation of that amines. थोडक्यात आपल्याला अमाइन्स कोणकोणत्या मेथडने प्रिपेअर त्या ठिकाणी करता येते आपल्याला ती प्रोसेस त्या ठिकाणी करायची. यातली पहिली सगळ्यात सिम्पलेस्ट मेथड जी आहे ती त्या ठिकाणी आहे इट इज अमाइन्स आर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम अल्किल हॅलाइड. म्हणजेच अल्किल हॅलाइडचा यूज करून आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी अमाइन्सचं प्रिपरेशन त्या ठिकाणी करायचं. या रिएक्शनला अमोनोलिसिस असंही त्या ठिकाणी कॉल करतात. सिंपल याची जनरल रिएक्शन लिहितो मी. सपोज अल्किल हॅलाइड इज रिॲक्ट्स विथ इट, दॅट इज RX, and alkyl halide reacts with excess of that alcoholic ammonia and then heating, then what happens? So this X and this H which should be combined, that is HX is a byproduct, and say that this NH2 group which is to be attached to it. Now say that this RNH2, this is a simple type of that primary type of this amines are obtained into it, but still there is a necessary condition for that. In this reaction, ammonia should be excess in manner. If ammonia cannot be taken in the excess manner, then say that the reaction is frequently repeated again and again, and then we can obtain that secondary amine also, tertiary amine also, quaternary ammonium salt also. So that's why excess of ammonia is must for it. Simple, I can take this reaction. Suppose that is ethyl bromide is there, so that is CH3 CH2Br. And plus this alcoholic ammonia, it is reacted into it. Then say that this Br and this H, that is hydrobromic acid, that is HBr is removed into it, and this NH2 which is attached. So that is CH3, this CH2 and this NH2, that is ethyl amine is to be obtained into it. Or it is also in that IUPAC name, it is simply called as that ethanamine. It is carried out from it. So this is simple method in which that any type of that alkyl halide is taken into it and excess of ammonia, then finally we can get that it's a primary type of this amines. And further we can react with that primary amine, then this reaction should be again proceed into it. Only necessary condition you should remains into it, that is excess of ammonia is must. So the reaction proceed into it. This is the first method. Then there is this second method in which that formation of this amines will be there. So this method it is from cyanide. So that reduction of that cyanide which is carried out, then we can finally obtain that amines as a product. Now say this reduction of this amine, it is carried out by that this reducing mixture, that is sodium plus ethyl alcohol, or maybe that hydrogen gas, it is in presence of that nickel. This is another way in which you do it. And say this base reducing agent, that is LiLH4, it is also allowed for it. Using that this same three reagent, we can reduce this cyanide type of this product, and finally it is converted to that it's a primary amines are there. Simple, this reaction taken. Suppose that is CH3, this C triple bond N. This is called as that acetonitride. It has another name will be there. So it's another name, that is methyl cyanide is also there. Or in case of that IUPAC system, this is 2 carbon atom are there. So it is, that is ethane nitride is another name of it. Now it is to be reduced using that sodium plus ethanol. Then see that there are these 4 hydrogen atoms which are to be produced. This square bracket hydrogen, so it is called as that nascent hydrogens are there, and it is added. So after this 4 hydrogen, then see that this double bond of this cyanide, it should be breaks, and then finally we can get that this is CH3, this CH2 and this NH2. It is a one type of simple addition type of this reaction, and this ethanamine is also obtained from it. This same reaction is also for that aromatic type of amines. So in this aromatic amines, how this obtained is that suppose benzonitrile is taken and same reaction is carried out in that same mixture, that is sodium plus ethyl alcohol, this slightly heated, then what happens here? So again this Cn is reduced into it, and we get this product in such way, that is benzene ring, this CH2 and this NH2. This is called as that benzene amine. This is the primary amine is again obtained from this reduction of that cyanide. This is the second method. Again your syllabus, it is include that third method, that preparation of these amines from that nitro type of these compounds. So say this nitro compound is also there. So nitro means it is related to that NO2 type of functional group, Correct? That's it. How it is do that? Suppose that is nitromethane is taken. So that is CH3NH2, NO2. It is a nitromethane, and this nitromethane, which is to be reduced on the basis of maybe that sodium plus ethyl alcohol, or maybe that LiLH4, or maybe hydrogenation process. Then say that here 6 hydrogen atoms are combined to it. So these 2 hydrogens belongs to that. It's a nitrogen. So we get this product, that is CH3NH2, and these 4 hydrogen atoms which combines with these 2 oxygen molecules. So this is twice H2 molecule which is to be removed from that. So we get this product. It is called as that methylamine, or it is also known as that methanamine. Is a process in which that it's a amines are to be obtained into it. Same reaction for samlo, it is nitrobenzene is there. So again this 6 hydrogen which is to be obtained. I can take here this H2 and in presence of this nickel. So this thrice H2 molecules will be there. That's that it will be getting like that. Suppose hydrogenation is there. So H2 and in presence of this catalyst nickel, then again NO2 group is reduced to that NH2. And this reduction of this group, then it will be finally gives that it is an aniline type of this compound. And this benzyl amine, or it is also simply called as that aniline, is a simple name of this. Now this third method, in which fourth method, in which that amines can be obtained, it is very important for that. And this is called as that Gabriel thalamide reaction. So in case of this Gabriel thalamide, so it is obtained from thalamide. It is very important according to board point of view. So how this thalamide is there? So structure of this thalamide is like this. This benzene ring, this C double bond O, this C double bond O. Again this NH is called as that thalamide is there. Now so that in this thalamide, suppose alcoholic KOH is reacts in this first step. Then see that what happens here. This H and OH is combined and this K can be reacted here. So we got this product. It is like that. This is C double bond O, this C double bond O. Again, this N carries this negative charge and potassium carries this positive charge. We see that it is potassium salt of thalamide. This product is there. Now again it is reacts with that any type of that alkyl halide. Suppose I should take on that. It is ethyl bromide. Is that? Then Br and potassium it should be combined. Then we get this product. I can write here. So it is like that. So this is C double bond O. Again this C double bond O. And then this N carries, it is CH2 and then CH3. And afterward this alkyl thalamide, then it is reacts with that, it's a twice moles of that NaOH or maybe KOH will be that. Then what happens here? So these 2 hydrogens, it combines with this and remaining is that it's a salt is combined form. So finally this product, that is CH3, CH2 and this NH2 and this salt that is remains into it, that is this sodium salt of acid is a byproduct of it. Important in this reaction is what? We should obtain this primary type of this amines. In all this method that initially you should start from that the primary amine and then it is converted into secondary and tertiary. No direct method of formation of that secondary and tertiary amine cannot be utilized and it is not again included in your syllabus. So these 4 methods are there. First method is from alkyl halide and ammonia combination. Second from that cyanide or it is also called as a nitrite. Third method from that nitro compound. And fourth one is that Gabriel thalamide reactions is that. Thank you.